What's up, guys? So for this episode I have something special planned. So I went out and I had to find something that people have not seen for about 8.5 years, and that is the first generation iPad. Over here on my left I have the newest iPad 11-inch that came out in November 2018, and here on my right is the first iPad that came out in April 2010. Let's jump back 8 years and let's see how this iPad was made.
Is there room for a third category of device in the middle? And we call it the iPad. To you now. This is what it looks like. I happen to have one right here. That's what it looks like. Very thin. Looks just like this. Is 2011 going to be the year of the copycats? Well, I think if we did nothing, maybe a little bit, probably not so much, because most of these tablets aren't even catching up with the first iPad. We're going to introduce today iPad 2, the second generation iPad. So, what is iPad 2? What have we learned? What can we improve? Well, it is an all-new design. It's dramatically faster. We've built in some cameras for video. Built in the gyroscope that we have in the iPhone and the iPod Touch. It is dramatically thinner, 33% thinner. That's what it looks like.
Design of the device, while retaining everything that millions of people have grown to love about it.
We introduced the third generation iPad with its Retina Display, and it's remarkable.
Well, today we're going to introduce an all-new iPad Pro. It's going to take everything you love about the 9.7-inch and give you a whole lot more to love. Let's take a look. This is a new iPad Pro.
We're announcing an all-new iPad Pro. And
So starting from the top, if you guys could see, we still have the headphone jack, the power button. Now on the side, we still have the vibrate button and the volume buttons. On the bottom, we have a single speaker and the old charging port. On the back, no camera, and if you guys could see the model number, it's the A1219. So the biggest thing of this video, I want to show you guys the design. Now let me place this iPads side by side, and I shot this video earlier for you guys at 360 around the camera. So let's jump into that video and let's take a look at the differences of this iPads in shape. I'm going to spin it 360 degrees for you guys so you could see the huge difference. But wait a minute, there isn't. Besides the new stuff that the new iPad has, the shape is back to its original. And the only thing that hasn't changed in years is the logo. And speaking of the logo, I want to show you guys how to make an awesome logo. So, this company contacted me called Design Evil, and they said, hey, try our website and see if you could make a good logo with it. So I went to their website and I was amazed on how well the website functioned and how many different customizations you could have to make your logo. As you guys could see right here in categories, they have every single category you could think of. And they have pre-made designs if you want. So once you choose a category, you could choose the pre-made design you like. After, you could name that design with your company's name. So for example, I put Tech 5, and then slogan is optional as well. So I'll do tech reviews, that's what I do on YouTube. And the website generates the logo for you. So you guys could see now where it says your logo, it has my name in it. You got all of the different font sizes in one place. And it's customizable as well. You could make it bigger, you could spin it around. It's an amazing website. I have been making my logos on this website for a while now. It's just so easy, and it takes no skill for anyone to make a logo. You could move your text, as you guys could see, anywhere you like. Move the logo that they provided, and mind you that you could change the shape and everything else around. Everything is customizable. You got different icons and you could search for them. I need a YouTube icon, for example. So check that out. When you put YouTube, you get a bunch of pre-made YouTube icons. Look how many there are. You got shapes, so you could make a badge if you'd like. And you got different backgrounds. And with shapes, you could also make a larger shape and put the font text right in the middle of it. And the cool thing I like about this is they have gradient layers. So it's a 2-3 color design. And saving it is easy. You click save and you could sign in with Facebook or Google. You could preview your logo to see how it looks on a card, on a book cover, on a website, even on a shirt or a wall. It's incredible. The best part about it is that you could always undo and redo the design. And when you click it and go to preview my logo, you could choose what you want to pay for it. So you get high resolution files, transparent PNGs, vector files, and it's only $49.99 for the Plus. That is so cheap. So I'll have their link in my description. Check them out if you need a logo. Especially right now, they're offering 50% off. You don't want to miss this if your website or your company needs a logo. So you guys saw that they are almost identical to each other. When you place it back to back and side to side, the iPad first generation is only half an inch thicker than the latest iPad. Isn't that insane that Apple had to go back to their first design and place all the technology the new iPad has in 2018? That shows you that Steve Jobs knew what he was doing. And Apple really, really, really misses him right now, because the innovation is not really progressing the way he imagined it to. The first generation iPad and the latest generation iPad. Let me remove the screen protector. Look at the condition of this iPad. I don't even know how I found it in such a pristine condition. Few little scratches there and there, but man, this throws me back in time. And do you guys see the similarities here? The border got smaller, but the design went back in time. And man, I gotta tell you, I love the new design. I really missed this design, and I'm really happy that Apple went back in time. So thank you guys for watching this special episode. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if this took you back in time. And comment below if you had the first iPad. I'm really curious to see how many people are still out there using their Apple products 8 years later. So thank you for watching, guys. Click the bell for more video notifications, and I'll see you guys next time.